Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today's video is on how to download and install Base Fitness app on your mobile phone, which is an app based on fitness workouts and sports. To download it, follow some simple steps which I will show you. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now, open your Play Store or App Store and search for Base Fitness app. You can see the app here, Base Fitness app. Click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet connection. You can see the app has been downloaded. Click on the Open button to open it and enjoy its features. Click on Allow button to receive notifications from Base Fitness. Now, the application is ready to use. So, that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.